lưng thẳng, thẳng lưng. Okay, relax. So now our next twisting, now I'll be take you in the fourth series of the twisting practice. So this time your practice will be in the one flow. Okay, this practice will be combination. I am telling you first, this sequence, the coming sequence will be combination of your shoulder opening and your shoulder strength. And your hip opening and your hip strength. And of course, your twist, spine, stomach. Okay, ready? We go. Come in the meow meow. I need to be on this side. So, come in the downward dog. Legs, arms, spine straight. So number one, you lift your left leg. Bend the left leg and literally drop on the right side like that and give it twist. And now left leg put in between your both arms. And drop your right knee. Good. So in the one round, I will be combine the three practice. So every time you just try to be stabilize the hip. We talk before, right elbow, left knee and your palm together, everyone. Come on. And just press the palm, give a opening in the shoulder away from the ear. Stay. 1, tabdi, 2, ninkaizi, tabdi, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now everyone curl the right toe inside. Right leg straight. 1, little lean front, maintain knee and ankle aligned. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Legs together. Stay. 1, hip align. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay guys, bend forward, Padhastasana. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Everyone, put your legs back and downward facing dog. Kick your right leg up. Drop the right leg a little on the left side. Right leg in between your arms. And drop your left knee. Left elbow on the right knee and palm together. So everyone just bring that awareness, expansion in the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. curl your left toe inside, and then your left leg straight, everyone. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Legs closer and then try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Chup chan, gup chan. 6, and then relax. Thang chan, koi swang. Bend. Keep your legs straight and bend forward. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Everyone come back in the downward facing dog. Here we go. The second time, kick your left leg and drop on the right. Left leg in between your arms and drop the right knee. Yes. Drop your right elbow again on the left knee this time. Now you have to keep your left arm straight. Hip, touch your hip and observe, align or not. Inside, not outside. Not possible? Use the block. Yeah, and then your left hand up or left arm straight over the head. Belly in, chest out, everyone. Maximum. Expand shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Curl the right toe. Right leg straight. Right toe to heel align. 1, 2, 3. Right leg straight. Thang chan 5. 5, 6. And now legs together, everyone. And do the same. Come on. 1, 2, hip align. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Leg straight, bend forward. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Downward facing dog, everyone. Right leg up. Right leg on the left. And right leg in between your arms and drop the left knee. Yes. And then up. So the same hip, cross your right leg with your left hand. Work more on the shoulder. Look at me. Shoulder, do not be shrink the left shoulder. Expansion, expansion. Belly in. Right arm straight over the head. Chest out. Breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Curl the left toe and then left leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, hip down. 5, 6. And then you have to cross your leg. Sorry, legs together. One, in this position, maybe the arms cannot be exactly straight because our knee is leaning as per the toes. So don't worry for that. 4, 5 and 6. Good. Keep your legs straight and bend forward. Everyone put your legs back and downward facing dog. Here we go. Now the third sequence. Left leg in between your arms and drop the right knee. So the third modification of the twist is, this all practice we did already in the beginning, first second series we did already. Okay, we did in the sitting forms. And so now cross your left leg with the right hand and right hand under the left leg and try to yes, you have to hold the left wrist. Shoulder expand, belly in. 1. Now you can feel if anyone is able to do it. So now when the posture is more intense, you will feel that might be you will feel the changes, especially in your breath. 4, 5, 6, and now curl the right toe and keep the right leg straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Enough. Downward facing dog. Deep breath. Everyone inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Right leg in between your arms and drop the left knee. And then up again. So this time we will be try the same sequence again. Everyone drop your left elbow. Any student they feel no, this is something very intensive, so leave it. You can go for the second or you can go for the first modification once again. So left hand, you have to hold the right wrist. Come on, give the opening. 1, 2, 3, breath. 4, 5, come on, hang down. 6, and now curl the left toe and then dry. Come on, the last. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, come back, downward facing dog. Take a deep breath, inhale and exhale. Inhale, exhale. Good. Come in the cat pose. Come in the sitting. So these were some different series of the twisting. We divide our this twisting concept in the 4 series 1, 2, 3, and this is the 4th one. So from here, once you are able to do all this level, then you can go for the another level of the twisting. There is actually no limit. We have more and the more modifications in the twisting. Now I will show you the another twisting practice. That is something a bit more on the intense level, a bit more on the advanced level. That twisting you required very good opening in the shoulder and of course spine, stomach and your oblique will be work together. But I will give you the technique too. If someone they are not able, don't worry, we will have so many technique, so many modifications. But another thing, after finish, if some student they are not able to do it, so please do not think this is any problem. This is just only the lack of flexibility to reach on this level. Okay guys, so in this practice you have to be open the legs somewhere about 1 meter. It's okay, not too much wider, not too much closer. Then with the right hand you have to hold your left ankle. Yes, tay phải nằm cô chân trái, and then the left hand you had to be up. So there are some way, because with the left hand you had to be hold the right thigh. So there are some technique like how you will be able to, arey, sit down, look at me. Please be patient. Tap mochut, cho mochut. You see, if you directly try to hold the thigh, difficult. You have to be moved, difficult. So the technique is, once you hold the left ankle, you just lean your body more on the left like that. So that once you move, then left hand on the right thigh. And once you hold the right thigh, then your spine should be in between your both legs. No, it shouldn't be here. It should be inside. And then after practice by practice, it will be down more. So this is this way, and the same when you go for the another side, hold the right ankle, left hand. So easy way, you little lean first on the right, then use the left hand. Once you control the thigh, then you can be come in between. Okay, so this is the one level of the practice. After this, have the a bit more intense level. So this you have to become the more and the more. You can take picture. So this can be the more intense. And when you change, the more modification, you can be keep the leg straight. and then down more. Chết rồi. Okay, so means this is the one actual way of doing, but now I will give you the technique. Now just give me last 1 minute, then you will practice. If any student nearby, so they can do like that. No, sorry, this. So this side, with the strap you hold with the left hand, hold the left ankle right hand, then you can withdraw like that. After opening by opening, you will become more near to your leg side. Okay, so first everyone try